One of the first things you should get for a brand new car is definitely a dashcam. With numerous brands on the market, each offering different prices and features, it can be challenging to decide which one to choose. In this video, I'll be recommending the model I personally installed on my BYD ATTO 3, which is the DDPAI N5 Pro. Most modern cars today come with advanced ADAS system in the form of a bulky black box mounted on the front windscreen, and let's be honest, you probably wouldn't want another big unit blocking your views while driving. What you really need is something that's sleek, discreet, yet still powerful. The DDPAI N5 Pro that I have here fit that description perfectly. It's compact and slim, but packed with features usually found only on flagship dashcam. What about screen? Nah, you only need to adjust the angles once. After that, most of the settings and downloads are done through the apps. Let's do a quick unboxing and see what's included in the standard DDPAI N5 Pro package. The front camera comes with a wide f1.8 aperture lens and can record in 4K at 30 FPS. It also supports higher frame rate recordings at 60 FPS, something normally you only see on high-end models. The benefit of higher FPS is smoother footage and clearer capture of fast-moving objects, especially license plate number. Since this is a dual-channel dashcam, it also includes a rear camera that records in 2K resolution. It gives you more details when you need to zoom in on footage. Many brands still only offer Full HD real recording. Inside the box, you'll find two long cables, with the rear camera cables measuring 6 meters, which is more than enough for almost any vehicles, including MPV. It also comes with a user manual, electrostatic stickers, 3M adhesive tapes, a pry tools, and a 12-volt USB car charger adapter. Now, let's check out some sample footage. As you can see, the videos are sharp and clear, whether it's daytime or nighttime. Thanks to the Night Viz 2.0 technology, the dashcam optimizes brightness and contrast to deliver clear night recordings with minimal noise even in very dark conditions. I use this car daily, and sometimes I park on the street or in a dimly lit alley. That's where the parking monitor modes really comes in handy, because it can keep an eye on your surroundings even when you are away. You might be wondering, won't this drain my car battery? Here's the cool part. Instead of just hardwiring the dashcam directly, DDPAI offers an optional radar modules add-on. These modules enable the dashcam to wake up quickly and start recording when it detects movement. Then it will go to deep sleep when not in use, unlike other dashcams that stay powered to monitor surroundings. The radar has 5 sensitivities levels to choose from and covers a wide detection area, 100 degrees wide, and a range of 3 meters in front and a 4 meters at the rear. Plus, with the OBD intelligent hardwire kits, the system monitors your vehicle battery and automatically cuts power if the battery voltage drops below a certain threshold, so you don't have to worry that it drains up the 12-volt battery. Most importantly, it's plug and play, no wire cuttings or touching the vehicle's fuse box. Since we are on the topic of the battery, the DDPAI N5 Pro uses a supercapacitor battery instead of a traditional lithium battery. This gives a much longer cycle life and, more importantly, excellent heat resistance, which is perfect for our year-round summer climates here in Malaysia. If that's not enough, you can hook it up to an optional 4G module kit that lets you remotely view the cameras and track your vehicle through the DDPAI app. The DDPAI N5 Pro supports up to a 512GB micro SD card and features D2Safe 2.0 dual storage protection. With the built-in 64GB eMMC, if your SD card fails, critical files such as emergency videos are securely backed up inside the dashcam. You can transfer all your footage at a very high speed thanks to the advanced 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6. It delivers download speeds of up to 40 MB per second, which is 10 times faster than standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi bandwidth. The DDPAI Pro may only be categorized as a mid-range dashcam, but it truly deserves the Pro names while still being affordable. That's all from me on the DDPAI N5 Pro. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.